Dubai, the miraculous city where everything is possible. Once a fishing village, now one of the most luxurious travel destinations. The highest building, the biggest mall, the tallest hotel, the biggest man-made island. Everything you can imagine, it is here. Everything in Dubai is grand and spectacular. This is why the 2020 annual event of Success Factory is also taking place in Dubai. Come and experience world-class speakers, an electrifying vibe, eye-opening content,
You need to work as if your life depended on it.
an inspirational vision,
It is the future that is going to happen.
and mind-blowing news. On the 21st to the 23rd of February, exciting developments take us to 2020, a new decade where dreams will become a reality. To feel the empowering energy, join us at the most important Success Factory event of 2020. Make sure to secure your ticket today, as the seats are limited.
Are you ready?
Success Factory. Get your ticket now at successfactory.com/events.